Angel, like, it's recording.
Hey.
How you so and Facebook and all y'all good old people up there.
Good old people.
Good people.
He's at A-Town. No, C-Town.
I don't know where the fuck we at. We're somewhere in the hood somewhere.
We're in the hood.
No, I don't think we in the hood. We just somewhere.
We're close to the hood.
Maybe it kind of looked like
I key Amber Wham every 5. Oh, wait. Do we got a special ambulance request? We're
at this court. Watching these boys play basketball and stuff.
You want to see? Sure, here we go.
Like,
they're down there.
It's like this.
Hey.
No, Angel, like Angel, you're not black. Stop acting like it.
Oh my God, okay, the black girl thing was the front. What a black. I'm really white.
I'm Jamaican. So look at the boys play basketball. Ain't that pretty?
Okay, no, who works shit?
Oh God. Oh holy God.
Hey, what's the thing you do if something is coming at you? That means you would move.
No, you dunk.
You dunk? Yeah,
you stop, drop, and roll.
Hey, the next time that ball comes to me, I'm picking it up. I'm about to go and dunk on these boys. They'll be like, "Whoa, phone ringing." Phone ringing.
Like, that camera is all up in your nose and your mouth and your lips and your lungs.
So you got a pimple. Hey, I'm next. Hey, we be tweaking at the park though, no lie. Come on, yo.
He about to get that bitch in.
Get it in.
I'm gonna tell my boyfriend stop bending over like that. Tell him that shit ain't cute.
Hey,
let's find Brianna boyfriend on the court.
You can't miss. Send me the toes up and get the.
Where you at? Oh, there you go. There you go. Okay, I'm getting the camera off. You gonna see this on YouTube and shit.
like Cheetos, y'all.
Cheetos, salt sugar, word sugar like a salt sugar.
Let's make a remix.
Man, I like to what?
Yo,
This piece of hair on your boob.
This ABT right here. What up?
I didn't start it over.
Start that bitch over.